Hi, I'm Jeff from Skein Sisters. So we've got a really exciting announcement today. We have got this brand new product which we're calling our magic cords, Skein Sisters magic cords.
Wait, there he is. Oh, he was a bit out of focus. There it is.
That's better, isn't it?
Lovely.
Now, we've got them in this fabulous little tin there. You can see the colour through them because I know lots of you like to collect these and have lots of different colours, and maybe you match your cord to the colour of your project and things like that. And this way you can tell exactly what's in each tin. Now, I've just got a big bit of fluff on my ring.
Oh,
Sorry about that.
It's a whopping great emerald. It just gets in the way.
It's not an emerald. I wish. It's a peridot, if anybody's wondering. So in our lovely little tin, we have got 4 cords. And
what size is this?
This is the small size. I'll get to the large size in a sec. We've got 2 at 60 centimetres. So they're for things like your sleeves and smaller little projects. 1 at 80 centimetres. And that's good for going around or against sleeves or necklines or anything like that. And a really long one at 1.5. So again, that would be if you're trying on a jumper, a much larger shawl that you want to put onto a cord and you need your needles. So yeah, 4 cords. Now, we have also got, oh, by the way, there are 16 colours. And here's just a little tiny selection of a few of them.
Oh, wait, they're a little bit hard to see. There we go. There's green and blue and pink and purple and teal and orange and yeah, they're very pretty. There's also whites and
there's lots of neutrals and as well as all the brights. Now, we have also got large magic cords. And what these are for, so the small ones, as you can see, has just got a really tiny little hole, and they go up to sort of a 6 or a 6.5 at the most needle. Now, if you've got a larger needle or project that you're using, we've also got large cords. Ta-da! So in these, the magic cords, we've got one that's 1.5 metres and then 2 that are 75. So
let's have a look how big they are, like as in how thick they are.
How thick they are. Can you see that?
Yeah, it just like so.
Yeah. So what I've found with these, because they're a larger diameter, they are a bit sort of grippier. So for instance, I'm doing something with mohair at the moment, and that was it was a bit sticky sliding it on, but you just ease your way on. And because it's a 4 mil diameter, this cord, so when you're using like a 7 mil and getting those really big stitches, it's so handy. Now, I'm going to show you quickly how to use them. So that's going to pop back in there. And I have been working really hard on my jumper. His name I can't remember. Hang on a second. Let me look at my pattern. Sorry about that. The Fynbos pullover, of course, by Teddy Lupzak. And you might have seen me last week cutting off the bottom bit, which was really fun and a little bit nerve-wracking. I know a lot of you said that you were kind of holding your breath. And I've done, you can actually see how much I've done, about, I don't know, 7-8 centimetres, because here I've blocked it, and this bit is my new knit-on bit, which hasn't blocked yet, and it will be totally fine once I do. And I'm at a point where I'm going to try it on. So what I want to do is just pop some of my stitches, not all of them. Now I need a reasonably long one, onto the cord. So we just slide, push it as hard as you can on the tip of your needle there, and then we just ease our stitches over it and onto the cord, just like this.
So you're not actually taking the needle all the way out, are you? You're just
No.
using the cord to extend.
So you can do both. You can, if you're a little bit worried about the cord actually popping off the needle when you're trying it on, you can put the cord all the way around, and because the 1.5 is long enough to go all the way around, you can just have it all on that cord. Or you can leave half of it on the needle and half of it on the cord, and I just actually stick the other end in like that.
Yeah.
So that if these ones do go that way, then they're not going to fall off. Now, I also use them here, say on my sleeve or say a neckline or anything else like that, where you actually need to have those stitches on hold and you might need to use the needle somewhere else. And
Good morning, Jane.
Good morning.
Say you're splitting for your sleeves, so you can just put your sleeve stitches straight onto your magic cord and you're sorted. So there we go. We've got our large magic cords and our small magic cords in so many colours and all available now.
They're magic.
Magic.